bees. See. So you have a queen excluder, and we have a way to feed them up top.
Yes. And
cool.
One more is the excluder de reina. Sometimes the queen goes through. I don't know why it happened to you the same, but sometimes it's going through. Okay, no problem. Here I want to check only how much honey there is. I'm taking care of it. Here I usually put the sugar.
See?
When it's wet season. I just throw the sugar without water because here the fermentation of the sugar is very fast, so I don't want animals around and sickness. And if they want, they eat. If they don't, no. Meno fumo e più costante, guarda, così. Right. Questi vanno bene. Those are going very good, man. Because not so old, is working well. This, I think, they fill up
Yeah, I see new comb.
in 1 week, maybe.
They make it new.
One week, this is almost finished. Yeah. See, even less. Even now you can get it.
Even now.
Even now you can get it.
Lo vedi che è tappato dalla cera?
Sì.
Uh-huh. E ora questo qua lo metti a posto per sapere.
So this hive is really strong, really going at it.
See, this is going very well. And I imagine down is full of two. This soon we collect the honey, maybe next week for sure. So this I don't want to touch anymore.
Mm-hmm. Cristiano is the owner of the place here. He's originally from Italy, and now he owns his hostel on a farm, and they have about a dozen hives. Max is passing through. He's a traveler from Italy also, and he's working here for a couple months. Okay, let's move on.
Si vede dalla formazione del